Hello and welcome to the Real Estate News Bulletin. मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट एंड दोस्त प्रीति और आज हम बात करेंगे रियल एस्टेट की दुनिया की सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग एंड हॉट न्यूज के बारे में। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारे फेवरेट शहर गुरुग्राम से। Authorities have initiated the OC cancellation, which is the occupation certificate cancellation for almost 700 properties in Gurugram. Now you must be wondering, which are these properties which are impacted? In the general category, almost 230 properties in DLF phase 1, 2 and 3 have been impacted, and in the economically weaker category, almost 500 properties have been impacted in DLF phase 3. DTCP, which is the Department of Town and Country Planning, has scheduled the demolition of 200 illegal constructions in the Aravallis region. This is expected to be carried out over a 15-day period. Now moving on to the hot news from the national real estate. The top 9 cities of India have witnessed a 34% decrease in the new housing supply in the first quarter of 2025. The same period last year, which is the first quarter of 2024, the total new housing supply was 122,000 houses, whereas in the first quarter of 2025, it has dropped down to only 81,000. The only Indian city which has not been impacted by this is Bangalore, which has seen an increase in the new housing supply. Builders by the name of ATS Homecrafts had launched a project called Province T Olympia on the Yamuna Expressway in Uttar Pradesh. They had launched residential plots worth 2 to 4 crores and they've already sold out the first phase of this project. They have sold a total of 400 residential plots worth 1200 crores. Now coming to a very interesting name and a very famous name in the real estate industry, Godrej Properties. Godrej Properties has recently announced that for the last financial year, they have grown 31% in terms of booking value and 29% in terms of booking volumes. In total, they've sold almost 15,000 homes worth 29,000 crores. This is the highest ever booking value and volume any real estate developer in India has reported till date. Now, a bit from the regulatory side. A group of ministers have proposed increasing the threshold for the affordable housing to rupees 55 lakhs. Now, the aim of this move is to make more homes eligible for benefits under the affordable housing category and to in turn boost the sector. This concludes our real estate news bulletin for today. Stay tuned for more updates in the coming weeks.